In this video, we are gonna find out the volume of the solid generated when the region enclosed by the given curves rotated around x-axis by using cylindrical cell method. So first of all, we have to see that y is equal to x square. This curve is a parabola. X is equal to 3 is the vertical line that is perpendicular to x-axis, and y is equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis itself. So first of all, we have to draw the diagram that this curve represents. So if we just draw the x, y axis, like this is x and this is y axis. And if we will draw this parabola, this is the equation of y is equal to x square. And if we will draw this line that is perpendicular to x-axis at point 3, 0. So if we will just the area that is enclosed is this shaded area. So this line is the equation of y is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 3. And this curve is the equation of y is equal to x square. And this point coordinates is 3, 9. So now here we have to draw the element like of width dx. Now we will here draw the element of, this is the element and its width is dx and it is at a distance of x. To find the volume by cylindrical method, we will use the formula like 2 pi a to b. This is x into fx and dx. So this is the formula for revolution around y-axis. So here fx is equal to x square and the limits are from 0 to 3. So if we will just put the limits like 0 to 3, x multiply by x square dx. So it will become x cube dx, and x cube integration with respect to x is x to the power 4. So it will be 0 to 3 and 2 pi is the multiple. So now after solving this definite integral, what we got? So 2 pi by 4 is the outside, so 3 to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4. So it will be 3 to the power 4 is 81. So this will be 81 pi by 2. So the volume will be 81 pi by 2. So if here instead of x-axis, if it was y-axis, then this formula would be 2 pi y into fy dx, and the limits will be a to b, where a and b are the limits that bounds this region, that is this coordinate is 0, 0 to 3, 3. So here it is along x-axis. So the revolution will be around this. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you would like to ask any other doubt, then please post it on my website or either put it in the comment section below.